Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Super chilled video. It's going to be a super quick video as well. Let me just fix me hair. I'll show you a close-up because I will be talking about this hair over here. I'm getting ready to go out somewhere, and I thought I'll film this comparison video. It's going to be a comparison of this hair, which is the spring twists in color 1B33, I believe. I'll put all the details down below. I got it from Amazon. I'm comparing this one to my passion twists. Now I have two passion twist tutorials on my channel, and one other one that I didn't post on my channel, but I will insert some pictures of how the passion twist looks like in comparison to these springy twists, as you can see. And then yeah, I'm literally just gonna go right into it. I do apologize if it's all over the place. I'm just in a bit of a hurry, but I didn't want to not get around to filming this video because I will be taking this hair out soon. That's the perks of being able to do your hair. You always want a different look. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So first, spring twist. They're much more springy, spirally, and coily, and it mimics like natural hair when it's in twists. That's how the spring twist looks like. When it comes to passion twist, the curls are more silky and looser, and it has a bit of a bohemian goddess type of twist look. It's much more looser, and to be fair, I do like passion twist, but yeah, we won't go into that one just yet. That's how the passion twist hair looks like, as in the finished look. It will look more looser, silkier, and curlier, and not as uniform as this hair. When I'm done, I'm gonna put a list in comparison, so both on the screen so you can see and also take a screenshot of it. The next thing I've also noticed is I find that this one, when I was doing this hair, I was much quicker and I was able to finish the hair much quicker than when I was doing the passion twists. So when I was doing the passion twist, anytime I tried to separate the hair, it would sometimes tangle on me, where I'd have to have scissors close by snipping away the tangles. Whereas with this one, when you separate the curls, it comes out in some sort of like afro type of texture, like you're doing normal afro twist, you know, back in the day. And I feel like that's more easy to separate without any tangling whatsoever. So those are the two things that I observed from doing both hair. It took less amount of time as well as less tangles. That's the spring twist. And with the passion twist, you had to be very careful with the twist when you were separating them, or else you were gonna get some type of tangles that you would have to snip out. So that's that. I find that with this hair, it gives you a fuller twist. So I only used 2 strands for each twist, and I feel like it's extremely juicy. If it were to be the passion twist, I needed to add quite a number of strands to make a full thick twist. So that's something you have to bear in mind. And what this means is you will be using a lot more hair when it comes to passion twist. That means a whole load of money. So I remember for my passion twist, for the long ones, I used about 5 packs, so 5 to 6 packs. Where the short ones that I did, the passion twist that I didn't film, I'll insert a picture. That one, I think I used 2.5 or 3 packs. And each pack of hair was about 5 to 6 pounds. So it's adding up if you're using like 5 to 6 packs. Whereas with this one, I got it off Amazon. Again, I'll list it down below. And I think I got it for £15 for the 3 spring individual twists. Hair. It's like a loose hair. I'll see if I can insert a picture here for you. And I used all three of them, so all the 3 packs, but it was enough for my hair, and I feel like it's really nice and juicy and thick. Absolutely nice. So that's that. I find that this one is also very lightweight. Even though I have 3 packs of hair in my hair, it's very lightweight. And in comparison to the Passion Twist, I found that with the Passion Twist, because I was using a whole load of strands, it did feel a little bit heavy on my head. In the grand scheme of things, it wasn't heavy, but in comparison, it was heavier than this, if that makes sense. I always just do what works for me and my head and my scalp. I don't like tension hairstyles and I don't like heavy hairstyles. But in comparison to these 2 twists, the Passion Twist I find were a little bit more heavier, and this is very lightweight. Like, it doesn't feel like I have anything on my hair. So I do like that about the spring twists. I find that what I don't like about this one is it gets frizzier quicker. Like, when I look at my scalp, look at it, like, ooh, I don't know if you can see, I feel like my hair has gotten like frizzier much quicker. I'm gonna show it to you. I made sure I didn't do my edges or anything, just so that you could see, but I feel like this has gone frizzier much quicker than the Passion Twist. I don't know why. I did them exactly the same, but I think that's something to bear in mind. When I saw other videos, they did say they felt the same way as well, that it was a little bit more frizzier in comparison to Passion Twists. So just bear that in mind as well. And in terms of the hair that you can use to achieve this style, I mean these 2 styles, I feel like there's more options out there when it comes to Passion Twists. To get that look, you can use water wave, bohemian braid, bohemian wave, and anything that's like a wave, a little bit of a tighter wave. You can use that hair to achieve the Passion Twist hair, the Passion Twist hairstyle. Whereas when it comes to this type of hair, you cannot use any type of hair. I'll put how the hair looks on the screen, but I believe it comes like a corkscrew type of curl. I feel like those are the only 2 that will help you achieve this exact hairstyle. I mean, like finished look, if that makes sense. So your options are a little bit more limited. What is this? This was digging into my yeah, so in a nutshell, which one's my favorite? I think Passion Twists are my favorite. I really love how effortless the curl looks, like beach wave curl twist, something bohemian, boho babe type of girl. I love how it looks on me, and I did it in color 1B27. Sorry, let me just fix that. I did it in color 1B27. I'm so into colors right now. Black is just so boring. I'm nearing my 30th birthday, so I'm trying to experiment. Yeah, I feel like it just suits me better. Like the curls were a little bit more looser when it was here. I'll see if I can insert a picture. Whereas I feel like this one's very uniform. It's still very nice, don't get me wrong, I do like it. But because this is a comparison video, I would still choose Passion Twist. And if anything, instead of doing them super long, I would cut it as I did the short version. So I cut each twist in 2, as in the hair in 2, and then work with that, and gives me still the same length. I'm able to get a fringe out of it. I'm obsessed with the fringe look, to be fair. That's pretty much my signature look when I do these twists. But yeah, so the winner for me is Passion Twist, and it will be the short Passion Twist because it doesn't require a whole load of packs, so I still save my coins. But I will also be doing spring twist, but in a different way, because I've seen a couple of ladies on YouTube trying a different method, and I want to try it. So stay tuned for that. I hope you did enjoy this video. I'm just gonna post the comparison on the screen now. So get your screenshots ready to screenshot it in case you want to keep it for future reference. So here it is. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like it, if you did learn something, please do thumbs up and comment down below what are some of the differences you have observed from doing these styles. Have you even tried this hairstyle? Will you try it after this video? That would be nice to know. And also, most importantly, please subscribe and come and join the family. We're nice here, aren't we? And we're growing slowly but surely. We're getting there. So I do look forward to seeing you back here. So yeah, until next time, take care and God bless. Bye bye.